Oh yeah, intercept these messages and of course deliver it to the public. I don't know if these things are supposed to be made known to the public or not. If that's a healthy thing for us or not, because there are some things that are kept as secrets, right? I believe that. I'm a firm believer of that. Like some things are better kept.
Mami ko? Wala ang gulo sa usap ka. Ano ka yung dala? Dapat kasi dali ka sumali pa pala. I need your help.
Hey, Red. Di headquarter ng Red, diba? Sam, di ba headquarter ka ng Red? Sige.
Hindi ko kaya.